Eric Lake, what's up? Liked already. Switched to macros. I immediately 10 times, so I'll make 10k to 40k. Nice, man. Hey, Keegan, what's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, I just decided to hop on. I just got home. Oof, turn on my light. See my beautiful face. All right, guys, we got some little market movement. I just started trading. I just got home. So see what's going on. Hey, Zabak, what's going on, man? Hope your afternoon's is all right. Hope your afternoon's good. Dawood, what's happening?
Order filled. Order filled.
Kind of like the break here, this inside bar, or almost an inside bar. Possibly fill up the 742s there, but need about a G. No stop losses. We'll see what I get on this eval. Do a little degen. Really want to pass one of these accounts.
Order filled.
Take off a few hundred there. We do have that fair value gap up there, 753 or 740, 753. We probably could push that actually. That's what I'm kind of thinking. I originally went long off this this hammer candle here. So we put in this hammer candle and this volume spike. I ended up, it's not really a harami. I ended up hopping in long once we get a little bit of pullback, and then got up on these. I hit DLL on these accounts here earlier, and this one was toast. This one only had $25 of drawdown left. So currently up 735 in this Take Profit Pro account, and 278 on the Buellnox. I don't really need much to get another payout. I just basically got to trade for 10 days. So I'm just, I'm just trying to, I'm already above the threshold for a payout, so I'm just trying to grind it higher. Should have stayed in that long there. Boy, it's hot. It's hot in Maine. It's 90-something degrees. Woo! Look at that. More news coming out. Is that what it is? Is Trump speaking or something? Is some headline stuff? Check this out. It's probably what it is. Double O Kevin, what's happening? Good to see you. It wasn't Karate Chop. Every time I need the last $50 market pull sideways, crap for days. Yeah. Nice patience though. Need some more water. Some water right here. I haven't even unpacked. Only thing I unpacked is my camera. My webcam. Guys coming in, smash the like button for me. I usually don't stream at this time, so maybe smashing the like button will help my algos. I know Brian Stonk takes up the whole afternoon drive now, so he's got all the followers, which, good trader, so I get it. Heyo, Mayor. I just decided, I just got home, and I was doing a little trading, and the market was moving, so I decided to hop on a bit. So we'll see if I can pass one of these My Funded Future accounts. Where you going, Terry? Taco Bell? Taco Bell? Stress eating? Yeah, I'll be on live for Asia tonight, Mayor, for sure. We're going to do a giveaway tonight. That stress eating for a nice nap. I had, I can't really say too much. I had 2 pieces of fried chicken on the way home, so. Hey Anna, how's it going? Good to see you, Anna. I really like this long here. I think this could be a little V bottom. You see a candle like this and a spike? It's a pretty good indication of a V bottom reversal on the 5-minute. So it's a pretty good probability that we keep pushing higher. Bad, bro. I almost passed my first Top Step account, but sorry about that, Anna. She got right to the goal line and lost it. I've done that so many times. So many times. Doing pretty good so far. I hit DLL on these two my funded futures accounts. I got caught up in this candle here, trying to go full port, and hit me pretty hard. And up 278 on these Buellanox accounts, these master accounts. Locked myself out because I just need trading days at this point. I'm playing the prop game. I just need trading days because I'm over the buffer. And Take Profit Pro account up 735. So that account is back to break even plus 97. So full transparency, this is the account I'm supposed to be trading a systematic trade on, the 5-minute ORB, and I accidentally traded it thinking I was in my MyFunded Future account. So luckily it went my way. That's awesome, Mayor. You're traveling to Portugal. That's awesome. Hey, Joker, what's up? Sometimes you only need luck, Anna. Exactly. Well, the setup was there. I just didn't want to trade that account, but it's okay. So yeah, I am kind of degenning some accounts. I need some more funded accounts. So we made about, what are we at? 4,500 this week in payouts with Buellanox. So I'm trying to get some My Funded Future accounts because you pass them in one day. So I'm reinvesting. Trading Trumper tantrums is hard. Yeah, for sure. I do like the movement and volatility though, but only traded the two 150K Take Profit Trader test accounts. Reset in 9 days. Not trying to pay 242. Yeah, no. That's the thing, is that those Take Profit Trader accounts are expensive. So join us tonight, and I will give away a 150K account. Ooh, getting a little rug pull here. Below the initial balance low again. That 691 is 50 is the initial balance low. So retesting that. Be interesting here. This candle closes below that. Made 1,300 each. Oh, nice, Joker. Only 800 more to go. Ah, you got that. I'm up 47K today across 4 accounts. Nice, Dawood. 47K. Let's go. Up 1360 today on my TPT eval. I need another day like this and then just flip for 3 days. Yeah, for sure. On a 50K, Mayor. Nice. Yeah, no sense of pushing it now, Mayor. You gotta trade it for 3 more days anyway, so. And there's no rush. You can pass it in 10 days, it's fine. Terry, I'll take a Crunchwrap Supreme. That'd be good. All right, market's kind of chopping around now. Kind of waiting for an Harami or an inside bar possibly, and then send this eval. Basically, we're just scalping on the way up off that hammer. We'll see what happens. Oh, nice, Joker. So Joker's on day 13, so on his take profit trader test accounts. So he takes it much slower than I do, which is awesome. I'm trying to have a little more patience. Something I lack with evals, especially. And then sometimes that kind of rolls over into the funded accounts, but Terry. Need patience too, Anna? Yeah. That's everything though, right? Really. Nothing like coming home, back home to bills. Lots of bills in the mailbox. Car insurance, ambulance bill, hospital bill, internet bill, and the power bill. I was like, what the? I mean, that's no fun. All right, chopping around here, 714. Yeah, we love the Bills. That's right. You already passed one this week and have a 50K. Nice. If I succeed with these two, 4 TPT Pro accounts. Yeah, sweet. Build that TPT prop empire. I mean, I passed 125K, and I'm gonna probably work on another one too. We'll see. Hey, Roa, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get another TPT. You guys like the title of my my live today? I'm just joking around. I'm just making fun. Trading the Pinecone 2025 model concepts. All right. Still above that initial balance high. The 300 points down. I don't know. This looks like a bit of a recovery, but we'll see. Could get the flush, the ultimate flush here, the power hour. Apparently that there's. Oh, okay, here it is. Trump, I asked Musk to leave. The easiest way to save money is to terminate Musk's oh, so we got a Trump. Now we have a Trump-Musk war going on, just like the box says. So he wasn't lying. So that's why the market kind of went nutty. Too funny. What a world we live in. I just noticed when I click on the Trader Hub on Pulinox, it says X up here in the tabs, which you can't see because of my banner, but for a minute I thought it was Twitter. They've been at each other. The tweets and the truths are literally nonstop with children. Oh really? They're going back and forth, huh? Yeah, it's crazy. Still chopping around. I was just trying to help Kevin. Saw it saying struggling with futures, so thought Forex. Oh, I think I forgot to answer your question, Eric. I would just stick with the Forex props. I mean, if that's what you're trading the best, then yeah, for sure, man. Yeah, there's no sense coming over to this futures dark side. I mean, if you're making money with Forex, do it. Just stick with that. Money's money. I mean, that's the thing, is like a lot of us traders, we have egos and we want to be right about a trade, and we can't accept a loss and all this stuff. But I mean, the reality is like our job is just to yank money out of the market. So no matter what market you trade, or what concept you trade, or what edge you trade, or whatever, it's like, just if you can pull money out of this market, that's our main goal. I don't care if you trade options. If I was really good at trading options, I wouldn't even trade futures. To me, I can't wrap my brain around options. So, all right, pushing down to that 21,700. Do we hold here? The initial balance low at 691.50. I've seen some crazy things happen before non-farm payroll, but I don't know. I wonder if we push back up to unchanged and close around unchanged just before market close, just because we have non-farm payroll. So hopefully that the market moves tonight, but it is what it is. If it doesn't, then we'll do a moose race anyway tonight for the Asian markets. Hey Taylor, what's up? Hey, thank you so much. Now I can't decide what to slow down in, specialize in. Right on, thanks. I would figure I would start messing around with futures a few months back. I do good, then not so good. I do a lot better with stocks. Yeah, man. For sure, like, I mean, I know some people that only trade Tesla. That's true, Mayar. Yeah, most aren't profitable at a live account. Money is money. Money is money. That's the thing too. It's like there's this whole thing about live accounts or sim funded accounts and all this stuff, and it's like at the end of the day, like that Bulenox payouts went right to my bank account that I can spend. Like, it doesn't matter. The My Funded Future account that we got paid out on like Monday went right to the bank account. Like, the dividends that I got in my investment account went right to the bank account. Like, it literally doesn't matter. Money's money. The bank account doesn't care. All right, so we are pushing up, kind of putting in a little bit of a bull flag type of pattern. Kind of interesting. My bias right now is to the upside, but we'll wait and see. It's dangerous for me to have a bias, actually. It's kind of a bull flag pattern. I mean, the market since noontime has been bearish, so, and we got unchanged sitting well, just below the VWAP. But all right, he's testing that initial balance low again. You wish you would have shorted Tesla today? Yeah, I bet it paid. But a lot of the stuff, Keegan, like the ORBs, like the 15 minutes, the 5-minute ORBs, things like that, they work really good on Tesla. For a while, I don't know how long ago, but maybe, I don't know, 6-7 months ago, I was trying ORB 15-minute shorts on Tesla, and they were working pretty good. I just couldn't quite figure out how to. I'm just like, why am I doing this when I can just do it on NQ? Because then I can easily calculate how many contracts I need and my risk to reward and all that good stuff. So I can feel that this market doesn't want anyone to win except long-term hedgers. Probably. Hey, thank you, Kenny. Yeah, smash the like button on your way in, guys. Appreciate you guys hanging out. Let's see if we can get past this My Funded Futures account here. Breaking that initial balance low. It's at the top of the hour, power hour coming up here though in just 2 minutes. I used to trade only Tesla basically. Yeah, it's sweet when you can do what you can do with futures, different world. Yeah. Hey Kenny, nice man. Past 250K top steps. Let's go. Yeah, I need to work on some top steps too. I got the XFA curse going on big time this year. Michael Batak is laughing all the way to the bank with my money. I think Top Step is 25% off. I don't know if that's real, Mayor. Maybe. Could be real. Does anyone can confirm that? If they're 25% off, I'd probably pick up an account. It's full port. I guess they are 25% off. Yeah, they are. I just checked. I found someone's tweet right here. I don't know who this is. Leo. Dash 25. It's pretty cool. Hey Nate, what's going on? Donna, what's happening? Hey Donna. Still traveling. I just got home, but it was just a short trip. Everything's real in the field? Nice. Oh, on the new dashboard? I don't have the new dashboard. I've asked for it. That would suck for me. Anyone buy it for me and then gift it to me? I'm just kidding. see if I can get it right now. Dash 25. Not available for this platform, so I bet you they want it on Top Step X too, right? Huh. Yeah, it don't work for me. That sucks. Go back to Puerto Rico on 6/11. Nice. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't have the new dashboard. How I mean, am I able to just sign up for the new dashboard, or is it still like by request? All right, we are pushing down here. Oof. Last 6 Top Step combines I failed. I have not been funded by Top Step. Oh wow, Donna. Just buy a new account and you are in the new dashboard. I just had an account though. I just had an account, Kenny, and I'm still not on the new dashboard. Like a few days ago. 640 next. Trev? Possibly, yeah. Good 50% retracement of this candles. Is what you're thinking? Something like that. How many funded accounts I have right now? 4 Bulanox, 2 Take Profit Traders, and hopefully another My Funded Futures account, Silky. I could actually activate more Bulanox accounts, but I'm doing okay with just the 4. So, no wait, I have 3. 3 Bulanox, sorry, I think I said 4. 3. And I have some that I can activate. I have some past evals, but...
Order filled.
Pushing the button.
With their nails done.
See if we can pass this eval here.
Order filled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order working.
Get down there. Get down there. They start yelling at it like 0 day. Get down there.
Order filled.
Okay, I'll get out of that. That was a little discretionary. Just on the movement of the candle. But Trev could be right. We could just retrace back to the 645 level on that giant hammer. Hammer. McLovin, what's up? Hey, his Royal, I'll see you tonight, man. I can't seem to hold Top Step, TPT, or My Fun of Futures. Yeah, I think Zabak's right. Size down. If you're struggling with those. Possibly because, like, with those accounts, like, especially Top Step and Take Profit Trader, there's no consistency, right? So, it's a little bit tougher. I'm gonna remove this line. Move that. The pinecone model, Nate. Yeah, glad you caught that. Yeah, it's kind of funny. Jay not streaming today? I guess not. That's good for me. I don't know. I think, I mean, if he's not on, then something's up, because that dude is very consistent with his streaming, so. Alright, pushing down. Nice call out, Trev. All right, headed to that 640s, Trev. Yeah, Christopher, not bad, not bad. I only just started trading about an hour ago because I was traveling, but luckily the market's moving, so which is nice. So the funded accounts are all safe, so that's good. And I'm trying to pass this My Funded Future account, so. But yeah, thanks for stopping in. Pulled 4 scalps out of gold in the morning and just entered long, looking for a break of to 84. So yeah, we'll see what gold's doing while the market's tanking. Yeah, pushing up. Typical. There it is. There's the 50% retracement right there, Trev. Nice call out, buddy. I should have just stuck with that. Should have just stuck with that trade, Trev, and I would have passed this stupid account. But oh no. Really pushing down now. Do we hold the bottom wick at 606? Nice, Nate. Getting a little FOMO now. It's gonna sit on my hands a bit though. Boy, that's some bearish candle. Could see a little psych level bounce here. Which I need about that.
Order filled.
This is going lower.
Order filled.
Alright, I need another 200 bucks. Hi Amelia. What's going on? Ooh, there's a little flush there. Hey, Cody Mullins, what's happening? Thank you for the sub. Appreciate the support. Wow, flush below that 600 level. Just there it goes. 577. So I need another 10 points to pass this account. Let's look left. Theft. Let's look theft. There's a gap fill right there. Still tanking. Woo! This is good. This means we're gonna have some movement for tonight, probably. I hope. Maybe not. Nice work, Eric. I said 300 points when we were at 7. You did, Joker. You did. Nice call out, too. You and Trev had some nice call outs. Yeah, super bearish. All right, where are we going now? 400s. Just take a look at the higher time frame. Little psych level bounce off 500. .40 bounce off the 500 level.
Order filled. Order working.
Short with the micros. Come on, get down there. Trying to pass this account here.
Order working. Stop filled.
Nope.
Order cancelled.
Almost got it. Almost got it. Let's try it again.
Order filled.
I think we take out that low.
Order working.
Sorry, I'm hyper focused on this trade. My eyeball's gonna come out of my head. Really? Alright, give it to me right here on this push. Come on. Come on. You know you want to take out those lows.
Order cancelled.
Yo, Jim, what's up? Sorry, guys. I was hyper focused there. J Ray, what's happening? Thanks to Elon for the market. Yeah, for sure. Shingo. What is the indicator you have on Harami inside bars? Right here. It's called, LDT inside outside bars and EOTW Harami. It's Ed of the Woods Harami. Who's streaming Power Hour? Me. Yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, I'm watching that now, Trev. See what this inside bar does. Kind of flagging out, too.
Order filled.
Try to take the inside bar, but no, we're super bearish. I'm not looking for much. What am I looking for? 150 bucks.
Order working.
Not even 150, I think. I don't remember exactly what I needed. Get up there. Yeah, I think it was Amelia. I think it was the Elon stuff. Yeah, I'm in the micros, Mayor. I'm in 2 micros. Oh, there we go. Come on. Give it to me. Ten more points. Please. Oh, son of a bitch. Get up there. Should have went in with the mini and have been done. It's always that last few hundred that's the hardest to get, right? Come on, give me a little pop there. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Order filled.
Oh! I need a few more dollars.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, I didn't get it either. Shit. I need $5. I miscalculated it. I need $5. Let's see. What's $5? 10 ticks.
Order filled.
I'm just pretending I'm still in this long. Really? You gonna do that to me? Come on, just do it. If we turn around here and go back to the lows, I'd be so pissed. Did Trump build a wall right here at 617? Son of a bitch. Come on. Alright, now push up through there, please. Thank you. Come on. Please. Please.
Order filled.
Thank you. Alright. That was stressful. So a nice long off that inside bar. That was a beautiful long there. Miscalculated there, but... So I hit DLL on 2 My Funded Future accounts. This one's, neither one of them are blown, which is fine. DLL, many times after I hit DLL on these accounts, I can pass them the next day. So the DLL kind of saves me. So at least I got one of these funded. And Take Profit Trader up 735 on the pro account. This one I'm waiting to flip. And then we're up a couple $100 on the master accounts. So far, good afternoon. All right, back to the chat. Sorry, guys. That was intense. Sorry if I missed some of your chats. This is the second time in my years of trading futures I traded this late in the day. Amelia, I'm a bad influence on you. Sorry. You're usually done at the London close. Oh, that's interesting. Hey, John, what's up? Hey, Trading Star, what's going on? Market knows you're trying to get a few more bucks. Yeah, for sure. Thank you, Mayor. Elon is crashing on Twitter again. Oh, really? Is that what's going on? It's so hurt, Amelia. I know. It was like watching a Mission Impossible movie. I know that. I was like, oh man, I'm gonna go and sink right back down to the lows here, because all I did was push the button. I mean, hey Labradabra, what's going on? If you guys do me a favor, smash that like button. Thanks for tuning in this afternoon. Yeah, I didn't do any trading this morning because I was traveling, and then I got home and decided to hop on stream and do some trading. So while the market was cooking, so it's nice to have a little volatility in the afternoon. Most expensive hobby ever? Yeah. Throwing in the towel, 2 steps forward, 22 steps backwards, get destroyed today. So many PAs wiped out, all within. Oh man. Sorry to hear that, design. Man, that sucks. I've been there, bro. Sometimes Jay has a little bit too much energy. Yeah, more coffee. More coffee, Labrador. More coffee. Be honest with you, I'm usually taking a little nappy. I'm usually taking a nap right now. Getting ready for the Asia market stream, but nice little bounce there off the inside bar. You see we took it right there with the micros because we actually didn't need that much. I miscalculated it there, but so yeah, if you guys haven't used My Fund of Futures yet, 50% off if you use my code PINE, and the resets for starter pluses and $20 off resets. For a starter plus and expert plan if you use code PINE. So appreciate the support. And if you guys are just tuning in, I got this Take Profit Pro account back out of the hole. You can see I've been trading it for a few days. Trading it with micros. Today I actually accidentally traded it with, I thought it was in the My Funded Futures account. And took some two minis long, I believe. Yeah, 2 minis long. So you can see I got it back out of the hole, so we're essentially break even plus 97. And what I've been trying to do is the ORB trade with the micros. It's more of an experiment, so seeing what happens with that. But erased last week like nothing happened. So in Buellanox, we are just chugging along for another payout because we're already over the payout threshold. So we're just trying to chug along. And I'm quite proud of myself with this Spielnox account here because I've been trading it for, say how many days? I don't say how many days, but this is my second payout on this Spielnox account that I got, so pretty happy with that. I got it back in April 29th, and I still have it. So, pretty happy with that. I'm actually quite proud of that. Thank you, Trev. Ooh, that's exhausting. You climbed out of a $1,000 hole today in your personal account. What a fight. Yeah, Amelia, that great work, by the way. But yeah, that can be exhausting. I know the feeling. And trying to dig yourself out of a hole like that, especially with your personal account. Tradeovate's froze, look. Tradeovate was just completely froze for a minute. John Adjusted G, what's going on? Really cool, wish I knew the way. I am learning every day, that's for sure. Yeah, John. It's been a long journey, for sure. So I started trading in 2021, and I started trading futures in 2021, and lots of ups and downs. More downs than ups, that's for sure. But you know, once you make that turn, the grind higher has been very nice. So yeah, just patience, you know. I need an ice cream today. That sounds good. That sounds good. Oh, that's okay, Amelia. We'll be there. We're going to do a moose race tonight. So if you guys are just tuning in, please smash the like button right now. We're going to be back on at 6 p.m. Eastern time for the turtle markets. I don't know what I'm going to trade. I'll probably get a... Maybe I'll trade one of my Buellanox evals or something. We'll see how the market moves. But come in and enter the giveaway for 150K Take Profit Trader account, eval account. So I'm gonna do a giveaway tonight. Please have a Take Profit Trader sign-in account already, which just means that you need a login. So that way I can send your Take Profit Trader email to Take Profit Trader if whoever wins, and they'll send you the 150K account credit. So we're gonna do that later. Should be fun. We'll do a moose race like we do. And I just wanted to thank you guys for using my code PINE for Take Profit Trader and all the other prop firms. So the more you guys use my code PINE, the more accounts I can give away. And yeah, so I really appreciate the support, guys. Yeah, for sure, John. Yeah, you'll get there, man. Kellyanne. The more money I do make, Eek, for sure. But the thing is, I could keep those Take Profit Trader accounts. That's for sure. And it's free to you guys. So it's free to you guys. I mean, you could use a default code and give it back to the prop firms, or you could give it to one of the streamers just by using their code. So, but I appreciate the support. Yeah, Eek, man. Thank you. EK. Eek. I don't know if I should go Eek or EK. Appreciate that. I mean, Patrick Whelan doesn't need another supercar. I mean, $20,000 a day is enough, right? For affiliate money? That's pretty good. Hey, Pip Hunter, what's going on? Prelim. Am I doing the MOC trade? No. I barely know how to do it. Oh, bad news now? I have questions now? Sure. Let's hear it. Yeah, I appreciate the support, EK, for sure, man. I just can't believe the growth of the channel and people are watching, you know? Oh, no. Oh. You know what I'm going to say, oh. Oh, yeah, Triple M all the time. Oh boy, oh. Yeah. Did they take out the money? That doesn't matter, dude. I'm sorry. No, dude, they gotta take out the money, man. You gotta wait for the money to pay out. That's why I'm not trading this account right here. I didn't trade it, I just locked it out because I need for them to take out that money next Wednesday. If you make it back, I'm not sure. I'm not sure when they review. I'm not sure when they review. You and Tiger make my trading Asia great again. Nice. But yeah, oh, you can get it back for sure. You'll get it back. But just don't be in a rush. Like maybe you don't hit this next payout, but maybe you get the next payout window or whatever. You know, just don't feel like you need to rush back to get that money. Not financial advice, Amelia, but we are flushing back down. But yeah, whoever said, who was it? Triple M. Yeah. I mean, I bought this account right here, this 196, and I immediately hit DLL. I'll show you. Right here. I got caught up in this candle. I don't even remember what I was trying to do. I was trying to pass it in one shot with three contracts. So not the way to do it. What I just demonstrated tonight or this afternoon on these trades was me trading super aggressive, but trading stuff that I, would see on my setups, Little discretion on the breaks, but like to me that's the proper way to pass, like aggressively. For me, I feel good about that. That crap on 190. Yeah, that's dumb. Nice little break of the inside bars here to the downside. I have to start 10 days again. I don't know. Oh, I've never run into that situation. I don't think so. No, I don't think so. But I don't know. Maybe they look at your request date. So, and see, I don't know. Oh. Time to send it then. Full port short. I like to short off these inside bars right here. Currently I don't really have much to trade, but do have the second murder on close here in just a few minutes. I love that break off these two inside bars here. I might try it on one of these cheap at evals.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
This is a $15 eval I'm sending on Bulenox.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, $736 on that. Short off those two inside bars. Probably get a little bounce here off that MOC. The murder on close, the second bot there. So 5 p.m. Eastern, Kobe, but don't push it. Try to stay, give yourself 5-minute wiggle room. Not financial advice. But yeah, 5 p.m. Eastern. Take profit trader. Pine, do you trade on an account at a time using NQ, pass, or fail, basically? Yeah, Trev. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I do EK, yep. I do trade Apex. I currently do not I blew my 90% off accounts, and then I haven't gotten any lately. Yeah, I do. I got a payout with them recently. Maybe like a month ago. Trump speaking in 5 minutes? Nice. So, good. Hopefully we get some volatility tonight for turtle markets. That would be nice. Like I said, come back tonight, 6 p.m. Eastern. We will do a giveaway. TPT giveaway. So, yeah, I currently don't have any EK as well. I blew my 4 PAs last week, so. All right, still pushing down here. Yeah, Trev, I wish I had more patience with evals, but I don't. As long as the payouts are coming in, then I'll get the kind of like very aggressive on the evals. Nice little push down there. Trading your own capital? If you're a profitable trader, CC, then do it. But the way I look at it is like, here's the best way. Like if you have no money, or if you're a new trader, do the opposite of what I did. My disclaimer, not financial advice, but what I recommend or what I suggest is, like, what I did wrong was I financed my own personal account with Tradeovate and then blew it, just like I would have a funded account. So then I lost like $10,000 right off the bat. Then I lost like another 10,000. Then I lost another 10,000. And then, like, if I would have just took prop firm money, started getting payouts, and took that payout money and then put it into a personal account, then traded it, I'd have been way ahead of the game. But instead I did the opposite. Now, some people disagree with me, and that's fine. But I'm telling you from my experience, not easy. Like Amelia trades her personal account. She doesn't trade prop accounts. You know? I trade a personal account sometimes. I haven't been lately. Ever since the death of my my partner, I have not traded a personal account. So but yeah, so right now I just have mine invested. But I actually have a what is it called? Optimus Futures account and an E-Trade account for futures. How come I lost so much? Well, it's the same thing as blowing the funded account. You know, you put in $10,000 in a Tradeovate account and go on tilt one day, and yeah, you'll lose. I've lost a lot more than that. I lost $30,000 in one trade on an options trade before, and I liked doing it so much that I did it again. Lost another $30,000, so $60,000 trading options, and I ended up having to go back to work. So it took me out of the game. I lost everything I had, basically. So with props, I've been profitable trader with props probably for the last year. How come you lost so much? Put on a few NQs, exactly. Design, or not knowing what you're doing with options and then just keeping like DCAing with the options that you don't know what the heck you're doing. And that was with SPY options, and I was an idiot. I had no idea what I was doing and lost complete sight. With props, like literally, I think the first few years I spent $10,000 maybe in evaluations, and that's back when Top Step was like $300 or $400 a piece, and you had to take 2 steps to pass them. So you would pass step 1, and that would cost $300. Step 2, you had to pay another $300 to pass step 2, and then they'd give you a funded account, and then it was $99 to reset those. So I probably spent like $10,000 with them. Well, within the first 2-3 payouts I got with Top Step in like a few months, once I became profitable, paid for all that tuition. So for me to like pay off my personal account tuition, I'm probably still paying it off. But But yeah, I mean, everyone has their own opinions, but like, I wish I would have done things differently. But, you know, I'm still in the game. I'm still grinding. But yeah, it's hard, man. This day trading futures is the hardest thing I've ever tried to tackle. I've been in all kinds of industries. You know, building construction, roadside construction, landscaping. I was a mailman for 15 years. Like, I even, it's just, I don't know, but trading futures is the hardest thing I've ever tried to tackle, because it's all psychological and I'm mental, so. But yeah, guys, let's see. Christopher Campbell's only tried to trade his personal accounts. Yeah, Amelia trades his personal accounts. But yeah, if you can get consistent payouts, take the money, open up a small personal futures account. Yeah, I like that, Amelia. And small, like literally just enough, like, so that way you know, like, if you lose it, it's not gonna, like. That's the other thing that I made a mistake with. So like with Tradeovate, I'm not sure exactly what the margins are, but like you can all open an account for like $1,000 or something and start trading futures, which is great. And then just know that you might lose that $1,000, you know. But if you trade one micro and try to build that account, then you know it might work for you. But yeah, I don't know, it's hard. Amelia says, let me put it this way. I tell all my friends that are interested in trading futures, I tell them to buy a cheap eval from like Apex to learn with it. Yeah, for sure. Oscar Rhodes, perseverance. Yeah, for sure. Stubbornness, perseverance. I still use props to test strategies. Oh, nice. Pine, do you copy trade to trade one account at a time using minis? I do within the props on the funded accounts. With evals, no. No, I don't. Not all the time. I guess maybe sometimes, Trev, if I'm feeling rich, I'll copy trade. But no, because with evals, I'm like really full porting usually. So if I blow one, then that's fine. On to the next type deal. Hardest, easy money you'll make. Too early, too late. Yeah, exactly. Trade rate margin MNQ is $100 per contracts. Yeah, exactly, Amelia. So, $5 to $1,000 usually. You can start a small account, so not bad. Super bullish, flat bottom, 640. Earn to trade and TD Ameritrade is how I transitioned to futures from options and stocks. Oh, nice. Earn to trade. I actually never used it. Earn to trade. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna take a little break before the 6 o'clock stream. So I'm gonna go regroup. Nice little stream there. We passed an eval. Hey, a My Funded Futures starter account. So if anyone's interested in My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Bulanox, pretty much all the props, the big 6 I call them, or the big 5. Top Step doesn't affiliate, but I do recommend Top Step too. I like them. Use my code PINE. I appreciate it. Help support the channel, and smash the like button on your way out. And join me tonight for the Turtle Markets at 6 p.m. Eastern, and we'll do a 150K Take Profit Trader giveaway. So I will see you guys tonight. Peace.